guys, be Joe in Pattaya. This is SOI New Plaza. That's SOI Bukkao down there, and this goes up to Second Road. Tuesday 24th of August. See that bar up the top, Hui Bar, it's a little secret bar, great up there when it's open. It's nearly 4 p.m. Of course all the bars are closed due to COVID, but the good news is COVID's going down. Yes! Got Pussy Bar beer, great little bars here, and these are 24 hours, the ones in the middle. So Mickey's Bar, famous bar there. Mama-san Guy, #1. Still a lot of empty shops around. They'll fill up when everything reopens. Great news, of course, with the COVID going down and things are going to start opening up. Chiang Mai's going to open up to vaccinated tourists, no quarantine coming shortly. All the massage shops used to be along here. All gone at the moment. They'll come back. Lots of girls want to do the massages. This is Second Road. We'll go take a look at SOI 7. Might be fairly quiet, but some things might have changed. The Aussie Pit Stop bars for sale sign up there. Hacienda Bar, they're coming back when they can open. A Flipper house there. That was my first hotel I ever stayed in 20 years ago. And across the road, this new hotel, that was an old house, and then they put bars underneath. I've got some old photos of the bars here. If you check my Pattaya Joe Facebook, you'll see some old photos of that up there. SOI 7. Oh La La restaurant and Rosie's and Big and Whistle, now the Big and Whistle. It's amazing how things get sold so quickly. Oh, these were the new bars they put in, all finished, ready to go. Gossip Girl, they redid all this, still working on more bars here. And down the back, gonna be all bars. That's gonna be cool. This little SOI here, look at the state of those bars, sad. And all the little bars up here, UK bar, Swiss bar, these were all little bars here. You see there, the Hilton Hotel in the background. It's crazy, all these bars just stripped out now. And the worst news of all, SOI 7, excuse me, Pandora's there, cleaned out. They were going to come back, but they pulled the pin. And Happiness Star Bar, they look like they've done something and pulled the pin as well. That's no good. She spent a lot of money on that roof. That arcade there, I've got old photos of that as well on the bars on my Pattaya Joe Facebook. Check it out. But look at this. Pretty sad, but by Christmas these places could be open and lights everywhere. So SOI 7's looking pretty sad, but by Christmas, like I just said, it could be all go again. Look at the beach here. No one allowed on the beach due to restrictions. Pretty quiet, as to be expected. They're redoing all the beachfront here, took a few trees out already. And gonna do the footpath again and more seating, so they say. We'll see what happens. SOI 8, remember all these bars, Tiger Bar, look at them all. Crazy to think how a virus can just kill the whole world. All the bars taken out of there. I've got old photos of those arcades too. Sailor Bar, they want to reopen. We still have the restaurants takeaway only. Still have the curfew, 9 o'clock at night. There's rolling live 3 live bands normally in there. And these great bars there. But I'm pretty sure they're having a meeting in a few days. By number 1 next month, they're going to relax a few restrictions with the cases going down. They can't just keep the place closed. Everyone's going broke. Look at the Sunshine Hotel. That sign's in rack and ruin. Don't even know if they're coming back. They're a big group. They have to come back. Let's go have a look up here. The little bars they build up here. And that big hotel, the Sunbeam there. Punjabi Junction. But hot today in Pattaya. Man, it was about 33 degrees. Hot and sticky. The bars here. Look, they got the name up now. Buzz Bar, ready to go. Got the fridge in. They're all raring to go. This block of land, they are all bars there, been taken out long time ago. And this is Pattaya Klang, Central Pattaya Road. They're starting on the footpath and drainage down here. You can see all the works here. All little restaurants and massages. This is where you book your tours, just there, that place. See here, they're doing the footpath, putting the wires underground everywhere. Let's go have a look at the little bars along here. Beautiful sunny day. What a shame no one can go on the beach. Look at all those little bars. Miss Mojitos. All in there. They're all newish. They'll be good on the beach front, ready to go. They're calling it Kamikaze Steak and Cafe. That was Mr. 99 before. Tuk-tuk in there. Yeah, so Pattaya should start to be on the improve. There's no set date yet for reopening, but they're all ready to, eager to go. I thought I'd just give you a quick look at what's happening, which isn't a real lot, but it's still good to be here. It's the police station, SOI 9. And Central Shopping, the Hilton Hotel up there. I think they're open. Anyway, guys, take care. It's P. Joe, Uru from Pattaya City. Over and out.